beyond repair. In the land of once good fortune, no, we were not prepared. Never felt so alone, stranded in nowhere. Now here you are standing, so beware, beware, beware.